mean? You'll contaminate the evidence.
Is this what you call evidence? Someone stepped on this strawberry.
You know, I think I can solve the incident.
Did we solve it, sis? I mean, Miss Detective?
We solved it, Mr. Sidekick. Finally, me and my sidekick solved what happened to the strawberry. Mr. Amin came into the kitchen to leave the newspapers there after me and Zuzu left the vulnerable strawberry all by itself. Yumak, who was following him, hit the table as he was running, and the strawberry rolled off onto the floor.
So who would have stepped on this innocent strawberry?
We need to know exactly what happened here to understand all this. Zuzu, at that time, I wanted to show you the detective novel I've been reading, am I right?
Sure did, but we looked and couldn't find it because you forgot the book in the garden.
And to bring that book back from the garden.
That's when you asked me for my help. I went and brought the book, and I gave it to Zuzu. And on the way, we even ran into Mom.
So, where did you come across Mutlu, Mom?
Well, I just walked inside at that time. Mutlu ran down from the stairs and went into the kitchen.
Let's think. Why did Mutlu go out to the garden from the kitchen and not out the front door?
You gave me an undercover assignment, sis. I secretly went out the window because I would have been seen by the front door.
You ran into the kitchen and you heard a noise just as you were getting close to the window. This is what happened to that beautiful strawberry. You are the guilty person, dear Mutlu.
What? It's me? I caught him, sis! No, run! I held him, sis!
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.